Iwanay din. Naman. This one is going to Odaiba. We're heading to Odaiba, but it's raining. Yeah, it's raining right now, so we cannot see really the outside. It's very cloudy.
できない嵐の中で輝いてその夢を諦めないで傷ついたあなたの背中の天使の羽そっと抱いてあげたい
What happened to your hair?
Don't look my hair
Stay there. This one is very good view. But
夜の方が綺麗だよ
そう。